Good morning students. Welcome to today's class. In previous class we learned basic rules for image formation through a convex and concave lens. In this section we are going to learn refraction through a convex lens. Before getting into the topic we have to learn certain basic things. First one is optical center. It is the central point of the lens. Second one is center of curvature. This is the center of the sphere. Third one is principal axis. It is the imaginary line that passes through the center of curvature. Fourth one is principal axis, the point at which the parallel rays get focused. Next one is focal length. It is the distance between principal focus and optical center. Now let us get into the topic. Here we are going to discuss the formation of images by a convex lens when the object is placed at various positions. First one, when an object is placed at infinity. That is, when an object is placed at infinity, that is at far away from the lens, then the image is formed at the principal focus. It can be understood from the following figure. Here the rays from the object are converged at the principal focus, so the image is formed at the principal focus. The image formed here is real and it is smaller than that of the object which is placed at the infinity. The second condition is object placed beyond C or 2F. Here C or 2F is the center of curvature. When an object is placed behind the center of curvature, the image is formed between the center of curvature and the principal focus F2 and 2F2. Now let's see in the image. The image is formed at F2 and 2F2 where the object is placed behind the 2F1 which is known as the center of curvature. Here the object is represented by black arrow AB and image is represented by red arrow A dash B dash. Here the image formed is real and inverted. Then the size of the image is same as that of the object which we had seen clearly in the previous picture. The next type is when an object is placed at C. That C denotes the center of curvature. When an object is placed at the center of curvature C or 2F1, the image is formed at other center of curvature which is denoted as 2F2. In this figure, the object AB is placed at 2F1 but the image A dash B dash is obtained at 2F2. This happens when an object is placed at the center of curvature. Okay, did you understand students? Then the image is formed at center of curvature 2F2 is real and inverted. The size of the image is same as that of the object. Next condition is object placed between center of curvature C and principal focus. The image is formed behind the center of curvature 2F2. In this diagram we can see the object is placed between center of curvature 2F1 and principal focus F1 which is denoted by AB arrow, and the image is formed behind the center of curvature 2F2 which is represented by A dash B dash and red arrow. In this condition the image formed is real and inverted, but the size of the image is bigger than that of the object placed. The next condition is object placed at the principal focus F. At this condition, the image is formed at infinity. That is, the image is formed far away from the lens. In this figure, we can see the object AB which is placed at the position F1, but we cannot find the image because the object is at principal focus. The image is formed at infinity. The image formed is real and much larger than that of the object. So it is in the position of infinity. The next condition is when an object is placed between the principal focus F and the optical center O. At this condition, an virtual image is formed. Virtual image is an image which is not a real image. In the figure, we are able to see the virtual image is formed between center of curvature and principal focus when we place the object between focus and optical center. It is represented by black and red arrows. The image formed here is virtual. Virtual means it is not a real image. And the size of the image is very much larger than that of the object. Okay students, now let's recall these 6 conditions by a small tabular column. In this tabular column, we can able to see 6 conditions: position of the image, size of the image and nature of the image. From this tabular column, we can understand that for all the conditions, the image formed is real and inverted except the condition of between F1 and O. Okay students, hope you have understood the concept of refraction through a convex lens. We will meet in another class with another new topic. Thank you students.